How to chat on Duolingo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to chat on Duolingo. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Duolingo application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen. You will see two options, that is feed and profile. Tap on the profile option. You will then be led to your profile. Here you will see the option for add friends. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see various options from where you can add your friends. You can choose from your contacts, you can search by their name, or you can share your profile. I will tap on choose from contacts option. You will then be able to see all the individuals using Duolingo in your contact. Simply tap on any of the account and further tap on the follow button. Once you have followed the person and they follow you back, you will be able to chat with them. So this is how you can chat on Duolingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.